Every business needs a structured approach to communicate and enforce its workplace policies. Our Policies module empowers managers to easily create, assign, and manage company policies. It facilitates consistency in operations, risk mitigation, and enhanced accountability. The Policies module allows managers to create, edit, and delete policies. One can also upload the policy documents in the records for a thorough reading. The Policies module works closely with the HR module, allowing managers to assign employees to read and accept specific policies. Please refer this tutorial for more information on assigning and acknowledging policies. This module also generates a real-time policies report, giving the managers complete visibility over which team members are up to date with which policies.